If you're trying to power off your Samsung phone, but if the power button keeps showing the digital assistant instead of the power menu, so in this video I will show you how you can turn off and remap the power button on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to power off your Samsung phone, you have two options. For the first option, just grab your Samsung phone, then just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for around 5 seconds. Just like that. Just press and hold both of these buttons for a couple of seconds and you will see the power menu on the screen. And from here you will be able to power off or restart your Samsung phone. But you also have another option to show you the power menu. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. From here, just tap on the power icon. And similarly, you can restart or power off your Samsung phone from here. Now to turn on your Samsung phone, just press and hold the power button until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release the power button and wait for a couple of seconds and your smartphone will restart. Now if you want to remap the power button and if you want to show the power menu by just pressing and holding on the power button, for that just go to settings and under settings just scroll down and tap on advanced features. On this page just tap on side button, then tap on long press. Now instead of digital assistant from Google or Bixby, just select the power off menu. After that just go to your home screen. Now if you press and hold the power button on your Samsung phone, it will launch the power menu instead of the digital assistant. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.